Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac OS version, because permissions and paths differ slightly between releases. Next, you pick or convert an image to icons or a square PNG. This preserves transparency. Once done, open Finder and locate the Finder app in /system/applications or use the dock icon. You need ownership and admin rights later, so keep your password ready. Make sure the icon file is accessible in Downloads or Desktop to avoid navigation delay. Now you perform the core action. With Finder selected, press Command-I to open Get Info. Then open your prepared icon in Preview, select All and hit Command-C to copy. Back in Get Info, click the small icon thumbnail at the top left so it's highlighted, and paste with Command-V. You'll see the new image replace the old one immediately. If it doesn't stick, make sure the image is the right format and size, and that you click the thumbnail before pasting. That step is crucial. To finish, relaunch Finder so the change propagates. Option right-click the dock Finder icon and choose Relaunch. Once done, confirm the new icon appears on desktop and in the dock. If the icon reverts or looks wrong, reset the icon cache by running sudo killall hup finder in terminal or simply restart your Mac. That forces Mac OS to rebuild icons. Finally, if you need to revert, open Get Info again. Select the small icon and press Delete to restore the default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.